Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you. It is Friday the 19th of July. And once again, as is normal, we had a red day. But I'm actually smiling because today actually felt a little bit better. Let me just dive right in. So the market today was incredibly crazy, incredibly volatile. We had a lot of 20, 30, and in the morning session, some 40-point candles. Well, maybe not 40, but a lot of 20 and 30-point candles all through the day. Just a crazy morning. Really a crazy session. A lot of volume, I thought, all day long. It was just a very difficult day of trading for me. I did not take the first trade on a PA until around 11. Actually, it was closer to 12 o'clock. And that was right here on a retest of this level. I took a nice long here for 200 on account 55. And then I took a couple of trades looking for continuation of that move here around the initial balance low. That's this red line. And I just got destroyed. Couple of times, just like here, we did have a little move back up, but eventually this was kind of a falling apart, and I just didn't have enough drawdown or stop loss to absorb the candle volatility, and it just got me. That's all there is to it. So here's what happened. Here's the lesson though for today. I wanna show you what I did. I have to go to the other. You notice this whole chart looks a little bit different. I actually need to change some of these little banners I've got here that are showing so we can see this a little bit better. But let's go back to the account. So I'm using the affordable indicators chart trader and also the accounts dashboard, and I added a daily loss and a daily goal to my charts. And this happened after I did this, after I had these losses with this 56 account. And I was just looking at that thinking that, hey, I need to go back to a daily profit target. And more so, I wasn't really looking for a daily profit target. I was really looking for how can I set a daily loss so that I don't give away these $800, $900, $1,300 days. And I found that, and I set this back up, or set this up on affordable indicators. Now, it is not this will take you out of a trade. If you're in a trade and you reach your profit target, which I did on account 55, that is a big win for me. $300.90. Once we cross 300, boom, takes me out of the trade. If I hit my stop loss like I did on this eval, 900 is where I have it set, 978. I mean, technically it went over a little bit, but still, it did stop me out. So I am very happy with that, and I'm going to use that going forward. The one thing that this will not do is I can go in and manually adjust this. Like I could make this 7, 8, 9,000, 1,500, and then like I could set this, and now I could keep trading that account. So I have to respect it, and I will. I think for me, see there, as soon as I go to 900, it says daily loss limit reached. So the thing for me is, if with this set up, at least if it takes me out of a trade, I have to pause and think about it before I go up and make a change. And I think, to me, honestly, that's a big help. I know, hey, this is where I have it set. Once I reach that point, I'm just done. And I think on the PAs, helping to get to a profit goal, which I did today on this account, which I'm very, very happy about. So I finished out that account actually trading micros. And I am probably going to do this some more, especially on days where it is very volatile like it was today. I had a $50 winner here, had a $20 winner there, and then finished out with a $33 winner. And that, honestly, that trade itself would not have hit my profit target, but because I had it set for 300, and at that point I was close, it took me out of this trade once I hit 300, once I crossed that line. So that was a big win for me, and I feel like that's really the takeaway for me today. I think the other thing too that is a bit of a win for me is this morning I was trading this eval, this 250k eval, this 150k eval, a 50k eval, and a 50k take profit eval. First trade of the morning on the Dow, I was up. Oh gosh, I got to go back here. I was up like 500. Right here is the first trade, I usually copy trade my evals when I do, and obviously I took a lot of eval trades. This was the first trade, $500. So I was up 500 across these two at 319 with a different eval, and then also this take profit account. And I decided to try to trade for more, which I should not have done, especially on the take profit account. I wish I would have just turned it off and said I'm not trading that anymore, because I was up 1,500, which is halfway to being passed on day 2. Well, I ended up keeping trading, and I finally had to stop trading here at 1,000, or I just mentally stopped. That was before I had this daily loss set. So that I don't blow that account. I'm still in profit, but I gave back $1,000. Yesterday we made almost 1,200. Today we gave back 1,000, which sucks. But then I did manage to bring those. These two accounts, and I did lose the eval that I was trading. I was down almost 2,000, actually pretty much right at $2,000 across those three. That's why I blew up that eval. So I bought another one and took it into the hole, but anyway, that's a side story. This was a separate trade that I took at the end of the day. I was green. I say at the end of the day, towards the end of the day, I was green, and I decided to see if I can have one big trade. Ended up being a loser. I took my daily loss and said, okay, I'm done, and we go for Monday. However, the key here is on these two accounts, I went from down 2,000 to back into green, which I'll take as a win. So in any case, it may not seem like much of a win, but it was a win to me, just in kind of setting up this daily loss, the daily goal on the funded accounts, and also I'm going to use it on the take profit account so I don't go above my 50% of the profit of the passing target of 3,000 on a 50K account. So in any case, to me, that was the big takeaway. The big win today was reaching my daily profit goal on this funded account, and then setting this up. So it is what it is. Taking a look here at, actually, I want to show you this. So this is the account. Let me just shrink this up so we can see better. This is the account, this 55 funded account is the one that we had at 500 in profit. So we have it back up to almost 100 in profit, which is a big win, honestly, mentally. So we ended last week up 50,000, almost 500, and then we gave some money back, and then at least we build it back up to where we're above water. So that's a win for me. And obviously this brand new account, we have not done very well, and unfortunately that's the account I paid the lifetime fee. So I definitely want to hang on to this, and I do not want to lose that account. I want to get a win on that account and slowly build it back up, because I don't care if it takes me 6 months to get a win. I'm not going to have to pay any more to trade that account. So looking at TradeZella, here is today 398, and the win I'm going to take, well, let's just look at my note. I'm trying to remember what I wrote down. High volume and high volatility day, very difficult for me to trade. Didn't take the first PA trade until almost noon. Added the daily profit target and daily loss limit to my accounts dashboard. I really like it. I need to respect it, which we just talked about. One PA is at the daily profit goal, the other is at the daily stop out. Overall, it feels good day. Feels like a good day despite being red again, which, yeah, that's exactly how I feel. Here's the other win. This week, we've got 2 back-to-back red weeks here, but this week we're down 3,100. Not very good. But if we go to last week, I think we were down 7. Yep, almost 8 actually last week. So call me the optimist, but that's what I'm looking at on the month, 10,000. So hey, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days left, and we can change this, the color of this, and at least put some green down here, which I intend and plan to do. So do the best we can. Again, just trying to work through where we're at, and honestly, I have to give, again, today was not an easy day. Today is not an easy trading day with the volume that we had, the volatility that we had. At least for me, it wasn't. So maybe for you, you had an awesome day and you rocked it, and kudos to you if you did, and I'm happy for you if you did. So anyway, that's a wrap. It's the weekend. Let's take a couple days off, come back Monday. We'll be strong and put some green back on the board. So again, I want to say thank you for the support. Appreciate all of you guys. Thanks for using my codes. Thanks for the comments. Hope you had a great day today. Have a great weekend. We'll catch up with you on Monday afternoon. So long.